Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add device to your Netflix household. First, make sure you are using the main TV in your home. Netflix household is usually set on a TV, not on a phone. Turn on your TV and open the Netflix app. If the TV is not part of your household yet, Netflix will show a message asking you to set or confirm Netflix household. Use your TV remote and select confirm Netflix household or select household. Netflix will now connect this TV to your household using your home internet, also called Wi-Fi. Once this is done, the TV is officially added to your Netflix household. Now other devices like phone, tablet or computer can be used in your household. Simply sign into your Netflix on this device while connected to the same home Wi-Fi as the TV. Netflix will recognize them as a part of the household automatically. If you are traveling, if you are away from the home, Netflix may ask you to verify the device. You can verify by receiving a one-time code by Gmail or watching temporarily while traveling. This does not change your household. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.